Today, I've received some new leather stamps that I cannot wait to show you. I was sent these by my new friends over at Texas Leather Tools, so big shout out to them for hooking me up. They sent me 3 different brass stamps to test out, and in this video, I'm going to give you my honest first impressions and show you exactly how they perform on leather. The first stamp is a design that creates a lined basket weave pattern, which is perfect for belts, wallets, and other larger panels. The second stamp is a design featuring a crisp little dog paw print, which will work great for pet collars, keychains, or adding a playful accent. The third stamp is a design featuring a bold bucking bronco, which is full of Western character and makes a really strong statement. Just holding these stamps in my hand, I can tell they're really well made. They have a solid weight to them, and the detail on each one is sharp and precise. The sharpness is what ensures that you get clean, crisp impressions in your leatherwork. I have worked with many leather stamps over the years, and it is usually pretty easy to tell if a tool will cause problems. Sometimes the edges are too soft, the casting lines interfere with the impression, or the material is cheap and wears down quickly. To give you an example, I have this cheaper basket weave type of stamp that I bought from Amazon a while back. When you look closely at it compared to the basket weave stamp from Texas Leather Tools, the difference is obvious. The Amazon one has much softer lines and a duller edge, which means the impressions end up looking less defined and less professional. The Texas Leather Tools stamp, on the other hand, has sharp, clean lines that give you crisp, detailed impressions right from the first strike. The machining on these is clean. There's no rough edges or burrs, and the faces of the stamps are ready to use straight out of the box. This is exactly the kind of build quality that I look for in tools when I plan to use them for a long time. I'm going to start out by testing out the lined basket weave pattern stamp. Designs like this can be incredibly satisfying or incredibly frustrating, depending on how precise the stamp is. This one is very easy to align thanks to the straight and even lines, which makes keeping your impressions consistent much simpler. The impression is deep, consistent, and crisp from corner to corner. This pattern would look fantastic on any belt or the front panel of a bag or even a notebook cover. The next stamp that I'm going to test is going to be the paw print design. This is a fun and instantly recognizable image that adds personality to any project. The impression is perfectly defined, each toe is super clear and super sharp, and there's no fading in any direction. This would be an excellent choice for custom pet gear or as a playful detail on any small goods. The final stamp that I'm going to test out is the bucking bronco, and this is actually part of their plated stamp sets. This design is bold, detailed, and has a lot of character. For this one, I'll be using my arbor press instead of a mallet. The arbor press gives a more even, controlled pressure across the entire stamp, which is especially helpful for larger designs like this one. As you can see, the impression is really sharp with bold outlines and no shallow spots. It's a really strong silhouette and would stand out beautifully on Western belts, coasters, or even as a signature design on a larger leather project. My final thoughts are that Texas Leather Tools really delivered with these brass stamps. They're really well made, sharp, easy to use, and produce clean and consistent impressions. I can see myself using all 3 of these designs for different types of projects, and they're definitely clearly built to last. If you would like to check out these stamps for yourself, head over to texasleathertools.com and use my promo code PURED10, that's PURED 10 at checkout for 10% off your entire order. Using my promo code also helps support my channel and my business, so it would be very much appreciated. Thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed it and want to see more leatherworking tools tested, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Let me know in the comments which stamp was your favorite, the basket weave, the paw print, or the bronco. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.